What's up mga kabulol? Welcome to my first video tutorial. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to install, navigate Dropbox and evernote. So first, click the Play Store app. Then search for the Dropbox. After that, click the install button. Then wait for a while. The app has been installed. Next, you should click the sign up and create an account. Just skip mga kabulols. Again, skip mga kabulols. Dropbox app have been many folders you can explore. These folders have documents, files, photos, and videos, so that folders are more organized. Lastly, the purpose of this app is to secure and lessen your storage. For Evernote, just like Dropbox, install the app and start to sign up. Open the Evernote application. In this app mga kabulols, you can set a reminders, save an attachment, and record an audio, or take a picture also mga kabulols. And lastly, you can use a handwriting or text note. That's all for today mga kabulols. Hope you like it. And thank you for watching.